Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Samsung Galaxy A23 5G One UI 7 update and show you 10 plus hidden features. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. Access settings and update One UI 7. Unlock your phone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on the Software Update option, and then tap on the Download and Install option and update the latest version on your phone. Step 2. Lock screen notifications. Back to the settings. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Tap on Lock screen notifications. You'll see 3 styles: dot, icons, and cards. Choose your preferred style or turn off or hide content on the lock screen if you like. Step 3. Notification pop-up style. Go back to the notifications screen. Tap on Notification pop-up style. Choose between brief and detailed modes. If you select brief, you can also activate edge lighting. Tap the menu to activate. Customize the lighting style and tap Done to confirm. Step 4. Sound and vibration settings. Go back to the main settings. Tap Sounds and Vibration. Open the volume menu and adjust volumes, including AI Assistant volume. Go back and tap Sound Quality and Effects, enable Dolby Atmos, and activate Loudness Normalization for clearer sound. Step 5. Navigation bar and circle to search. In Settings, tap on Display. Scroll down and tap the navigation bar. Look for the Circle to Search feature. Enable it. Now you can tap and hold the Home button or navigation handle. Use your finger to circle an area on the screen to search instantly. Step 6. Battery settings and auto dim. From the main settings, tap Battery. Scroll down and enable Auto Dim Screen. Dims the screen when the battery is below 5%. Tap on Battery Protection. Choose from 3 options. Select Maximum to stop charging at 90% to extend battery health. Step 7. Home Screen Customization. Open Home Screen and then you can increase the app size. After that, you can turn on or app labels on the home screen. Step 8. Lock Screen and AOD, always on display. Go to Lock Screen and AOD in Settings and wait a few moments to open the menu. Tap Edit Lock Screen. Change your clock style and increase the size if you like and adjust. Add lock screen shortcuts. Tap Shortcuts, choose apps you want, and save by tapping Done at the top. Step 9. Folder Grid Customization. Go to the home screen. Tap and hold on any folder. Tap Enlarge to make the folder bigger. You can also change the folder grid color from this menu. Step 10. Camera Settings. Open the Camera app. Tap the menu icon, then select Settings. Here, you can customize various camera options like resolution, tracking autofocus, watermark, and more. Step 11. Quick Settings Customization. From the home screen, swipe down to access Quick Settings. Tap the pencil icon to edit the layout. Drag and drop tiles to add or remove shortcuts. Tap Done to save changes. Step 12. Panel Settings for quick access. Tap the pencil icon again in Quick Settings. Tap Panel Settings. Choose the Together option. Now, when you swipe down, both the Notifications panel and Quick Settings appear in one view. Step 13. Call Recording feature. Open the Phone Call app. Tap the 3 dots in the top right, then tap Settings. Tap Record Calls. Enable the toggle to start recording calls automatically. All recorded calls will be saved and available in the Recordings menu. That's it. You've just unlocked 10 plus hidden features in Samsung Galaxy's One UI 7 update. Try them out and customize your phone just the way you like. If this video helped you, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends.